good.
Yeah. Okay.
Use all your body weight to push down and break up the grains.
Look at the side. Is that it? Okay.
Okay. Chat. Okay. Thank you so much.
Oh, that's a good strategy.
Okay. Yes. Thank you so much. Yes. Next we are Mochi.
Yoisho! Yoisho!
I'm so sorry.
Yoisho! Yoisho!
Yaisha, Yaisha, Yaisha. Yaisha, Yaisha. Oh my gosh, this has to happen. Collaboration.
Yeah.
Almost finished product. Oh, good job, everyone.
Nice. This is large size and medium size. Okay.
So we will
So I'm gonna show you how to cut the mochi. Where, because it's very sticky, you're gonna put a lot of flour in it. So just go like this.
ginano niya yung instructions niya. 8 daw. Oh, kasi dip mo siya. Weird kasi, babe.
Very beautiful. Take out your bread. This is the first time to meet people from Nusa here.
There you go.
Ah!
Arigatou gozaimasu. Itadakimasu. Let's try the first one suggested.
Okay. Thank you.
Ito yung visa, Tokyo Matcha. Arigatou gozaimasu.
Hindi mo kamay yun. Very nice.
Tokyo Matcha.
Sarap. Lalaki ako. Sila dami pwede mong benta. May coco din.
Ito this one. Cocoa.
Inang video ha. Ako sold sa coco.
Kinako powder. Roasted soybean
Grabe
flour.
ka.
And then let's try the red bean. This one, I'll try it with the red bean paste. And then
Cream.
cream.
1, 2, 3. Okay.
Ta-da! What's the name? Secret. This is the secret dipping something.
Cherry.
Itachi's favorite.
Ito lang masarap ng go.
Gusto mo yung miso paste?
Coconut
Coconut taste.
and sugar.
I export, you know, export in Kansai. Export.
Expo?
Expo.
Yeah, Philippine pavilion.
This
We
is served.
can eat this.
Almost same.
Yes, and ice cream. So
Ah.
many types of ice
Sorbetas.
cream. Purple.
Which one? The halo halo?
Yeah, halo, yeah. Halo shaped ice.
Same size. Okay.
Yeah, so great.
Halo halo also have something like
Yeah,
this,
something
right?
like this.
Smaller
Yeah.
ones. The chisai bowl.
Chisai bowl, yeah. Yeah. How about Japanese mochi? Is good.
Yeah, very good.
Totemo oishii desu yo.
Oh.
This one I like.
Oh, you like it?
This one, yeah.
This is my favorite.
Oh,
yes. Itachi's favorite.
You can buy this ochazuke seasoning, Don Quixote or grocery store.
Oh.
You can buy.
And then you can put this on top of gohan, right?
Yes, yes. Soup rice, like a soup rice. Yeah. Are you finished?
Thank you very much. I'm full.
This is lunch.